For 2020, the Honda Civic Hatchback is better than ever. Is it still the best option for a daily driver? We have a closer look right now. If you'd like to learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, Research, Honda, and then click Civic. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Honda Civic has long led the industry in technology and comfort. For 2020, it gets a minor exterior refresh to keep it ahead of the pack. Pricing starts at $21,750 for the base trim LX hatchback. That model includes a turbocharged 174 horsepower 1.5-liter engine and a continuously variable transmission. The model we're looking at here is the top-end Sport Touring trim. This gets a faster 180 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, plus a 540-watt audio system, dual-zone climate control, paddle shifters, dual exhausts, LED headlights, and 18-inch wheels. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard, but our test car arrived with the optional CVT. Price, as you see it here, $29,780 including destination. Price may vary. EPA rates this setup at up to 35 miles to the gallon on the highway and 29 around town. Trunk space is good for up to 22.6 cubic feet with the second row up. Fold the second row down for up to 46.2 cubic feet of cargo area, which is excellent for the class. On this latest Civic, the second row isn't a penalty box. Even full-grown adults fit fine. Passengers also get a fold-down armrest and dual-stage heated seats. The main cabin features a modern and useful design language, with lots of functional storage space. All seating is covered in leather, with the driver getting 8-way power adjustments. The gauge cluster features digital information with a configurable center section. There aren't a lot of options available at this trim level, simply because it is fully loaded, including premium audio with a digital touchscreen that also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a sunroof and state-of-the-art safety. The Honda Sensing system is actually standard on all hatchback trim levels. This gives you collision mitigation, road departure warnings, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, and lane keep. All models also come with a standard rear-view camera. EX and higher models like this Sport Touring come with Honda's excellent Lane Watch blind spot camera system. For 2020, the Honda Civic continues to distinguish itself with a balanced mix of comfort, performance, and economy you won't find anywhere else. Power from the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine is ample and comes on quick, while the suspension soaks up road irregularities without losing composure. Fact is, whether you're commuting across town or hitting a canyon road, the Civic is the right car for almost any road. And that makes the Civic one of the best in the class. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see options and pricing on the latest from Honda. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation dealer.